Introducing a new addition to the Boss Alloy Airtank product range. This 1.5 gallon rust resistant alloy tank comes with 3 1/4 inch NPT ports on one end and one 3/8 inch NPT port at the centre of both ends. Another unique feature of Boss Airtanks is our adjustable mounting legs. This feature will allow you to mount the tank in any format, sideways, upside down, or any other configuration that suits the vehicle or application. This little beauty is ideal for confined spaces. Like all Boss alloy air tanks, it carries AS approval, is tested to 480 psi, and is shock blasted, heat treated and anodized, making it another great addition to the Boss product suite.